You're watching ExplorerVacations. Ciao from Pisa, Italy. Today we're exploring the iconic Piazza dei Miracoli, or Square of Miracles, home to the world-famous Leaning Tower, the majestic Duomo, and the impressive Baptistery. As we begin our journey, we see the Pisa Baptistery, the largest in Italy, started in 1152 and completed in 1363. Its unique blend of Romanesque and Gothic styles is simply captivating. Next, we walk by the magnificent Duomo di Pisa, the cathedral at the heart of the Piazza. Consecrated in 1118, this stunning example of Romanesque architecture is a testament to Pisa's maritime power and wealth during the Middle Ages. Finally, the Leaning Tower of Pisa immediately captures the eye. This bell tower, famously leaning due to its soft foundation, began construction in 1173. It took nearly 200 years to complete due to interruptions caused by wars and the engineers' efforts to correct its tilt. From the unexpected tilt of its tower to the grandeur of its religious buildings, Pisa offers a blend of history, architecture, and curiosity. Join ExplorerVacations as we uncover the timeless wonders of this extraordinary Italian city. And now, we're going to stop talking and start walking.
C'è una torre, puoi salire.
So, wenn ihr jetzt auch mal, wollt ihr vielleicht einen Zweitstellen schicken halten, was ihr mir sagt? Welcome, Pisa.
These are the shots that you need it to be like, oh. Yeah. I'm soaking. Somebody just like. Something like this. There, it's a nice one. Darum, have you got one?
Ja, det här är bra. Så kan vi skriva om.
Ja, du.
Thank you for watching our video. Please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.